Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash custom levels. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Online option. Here, you'll find a vast collection of user-created content. You can browse through different categories or use the search function to find something specific. Once you've found a level that interests you, simply download it to your device and start playing. It's that easy to dive into new challenges. To efficiently find levels, utilize the search bar for titles or creators. You can also apply various filters to narrow down your options. For instance, sort by difficulty, from easy to demon, or by length, like short or epic. Don't forget to check out the featured or popular sections for highly rated and trending levels. This helps you discover new and exciting content quickly. Once you've chosen a level, simply tap on it and then select the download icon. This adds the level to your saved list, accessible from the main online menu. To play, just select it from your list. If a level proves too challenging, remember to use practice mode. It allows you to place checkpoints, helping you master tricky sections without restarting the entire level. To maximize your enjoyment, begin with easier custom levels to gradually build your skills before tackling extreme demons. Remember to rate the levels you play. Your feedback helps the community identify quality content and supports creators. Also, for more great deals and to find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the description below this video. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.